Exercise 4b, and in exercise 4b, addition and subtraction of decimals. It's a very easy topic. Question number 1. Question number 1, add. So first one is 0.5 and 0.37. So you have to add this. So 0.5, 0.37. As you can see, only 5 we are having here. So these two are not like decimals. So 5, 0.5 can be written as 0.50. So you will get 7, 8.0. 0.87 is required answer. So like this you have to convert if you are not having like decimals. Then second question you can solve. Third, fourth I'm solving. 0.4136 plus 0.3195 plus 0.52. As you can see, we are having 4 places here after decimal, 4 places, but in this we are having 2 places. So you can write 0 and 0. Now you can add this, you will get required answer. I think question number 1 you can solve. One more last question which I want to solve, that is 8th. So 6.08 plus 60.8, then 0.608, then 0.0608. So now before that decimal you're not supposed to make any changes, but after decimal, suppose you are having here 4 places after decimal, so you have to make equal, so you will write 0. Now you are having only one place, so 0 0 0, and you are having 2 places, so 0 and 0. Now add this, so you will get 8, again 8, then 8 plus 6 14, 1 carry, so 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 15, 1 carry, 6 plus 1 7, then 6. So 67.5488 is your required answer. Question number 1 you can solve. Then question number 2 is subtract the first number from the second. Subtract the first number from second. So again easy question. First 5.4, 9.8. This is the first number and this is the second number. So we have to subtract first from second. So 9.8 minus 5.4. So 8 minus 4, 4, decimal, 9 minus 5, 4. So 4.4 is required answer. Then second, third, I'm solving here third. 0.82 and 8.6. So first write 8.6 minus 0.82. So just write 0 here to make it equal. Now 0 minus 2 you can't subtract, and similarly this is also same. So just borrow, then this will be 10, this will be 15. So 10 minus 2 8, 15 minus 8 7, and this 8 will be 7. So 7.78 is required answer. Clear? Now you can solve remaining questions. Since all questions are same, you can solve. The one last question I'm solving here, 10th one, 0.845. This is the first number and we have to subtract this from 3.71. So first we will write 3.71 minus 0.845. So we have to write 0 here to make it equal. Now subtract this. So we have to take uh, so this will be 16, this will be 10, and this will be 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 4, 6. 16 minus 8, 8. Then this 3 will be 2. So 2.865 is required answer. Now you can solve question number 2. Question number 3. Simplify. First question is 28.796 minus 13.42 minus 2.555. Now in this question we have to subtract, simplify. So first we should simplify these two values. Clear? So 28.796 minus 13.42. To make it equal, we have to write 0. Clear? Now 6 minus 0, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. Decimal. 8 minus 3, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. So we got here 15.376. Now we can subtract this number further. So 2.555. So 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. This is not possible, so we have to take something. So from this 1. So this will become 13. 13 minus 5, 8. This will be 4. 4 minus 2, 2. This is 1. So 12.821 is your required answer. So all the questions are same from this exercise. Sorry, this question number 3. One more question which I want to solve. Fifth one, we are having minus and plus both. Okay. So fifth one is 32.8 minus 13 minus 10.725 plus 3.517. Now in this question, this is positive value and this one is also positive. This two negative. So you can simplify by step, or you can subtract by adding. Just like this is positive one, this is positive one. So 32.8 plus 3.517. So 0 and 0. This is 7, 1, 8, 5, 13. 1 carry. So 6, 3. Now you can subtract this two number. Clear? Or you can do just like minus 13 and minus 10. You can add this because minus minus you can add. Clear? Or you can directly subtract. So first I am subtracting minus 13. Only 13 is there. So I will write 0, 0, 0. So 7, 1, 3. Point. 6 minus 3, 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2. So we got here 23.317. Clear? Now last value 10.725. 7 minus 5, 2. Then it's not possible. So this is now 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 12 minus 7, 5. Then 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus, sorry, 2 minus 1, 1. So 12.592 is your required answer. So like this you have to solve, or you can solve by direct adding and subtraction. You will get the same answer. Nothing will change. So question number 3 you can solve now. Question number 4, you can solve, only you have to subtract. Question number 5, take out the sum of 19.38 and 56.025, then subtract it from 200.111. So you have to add these two values, and after adding you will get one value, and that value you have to subtract from this one. Clear? You can solve question number 5 as well. Question number 6. Question number 6, add 13.95 and 1.003. So first we have to add this 3, 5, 9, 4, 1. So after adding we got 14.953. And from the result, subtract. So this is our result, 14.953. From this we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? 2.794. Clear? So this will be 13, 13 minus 4, 9, 14 minus 9, 5, 8 minus 7, 1, then 4 minus 2, 2, 1. Then again we have to subtract 6.2, which is given in question. So 6.200. So 9, 5. Then it will be 11, 11 minus 2, 9. Then 11 minus 6, 5, 0. So 5.959 is your required answer for question number 6. What should be added? Question number 7. What should be added to 39.587 to give 80.375? Simply, what should be added to this one? So we are adding x equals to 80.375. Now transpose this to the right hand side. So x equals to 80.375 minus 39.587. Clear? So solve this and you will get answer. It's very easy, nothing is complex here. So 40.788 you will get. Then question number 8 is, what should be subtracted from 100? What should be subtracted from 100 to give 19.29? So we are subtracting x. So 100 minus x equals to 19.29. Transpose this x to the right hand side. So 100 equals to 19.29 plus x. Now transpose this to this side. So 100 minus 19.29 equals to x. Now subtract this. So 80.71 you will get, which will be the required answer. Clear? 9th is easy, only you have to subtract. Then 10th one is easy, you can solve. Simplification is there, only you have to remove brackets, and as per that sign will change and you can solve. 11th is, what is the excess of 75 over 48.29? Subtract it, you will get answer. Then 12 is, a and b is given to you, you have to find a minus b and b minus a. Easily you can do. 13 is also same. Price is changing, cost is changing from 28 rupee 47 paise to 32 rupee 65 paise. You have to find increase. So simply subtract it, you will get answer how much increment you got. Clear? So exercise 4b is over now.